the kids.
Kids, what do you want?
Can I have that train? Of course you can.
Here you go. Then the old man thinks he's a little
Alone. So he go to the forest and find wood.
He found a lot of food. He's going to make a puppet, the name of Pinocchio. He head back to his home. He cut all the wood. He made the shape he wanted to make. When he was finished making Pinocchio's face and his body, he colored his face and body. And when he was finished making Pinocchio, he went to bed. Then there was a fairy. He made him a real boy. But if you do bad things, your nose will get a little big and a little bit tall. Pinocchio was amazed because he is a real boy and he was waiting for his father to wake up from his nap. Then, when Pinocchio waited for his father to wake up, when he did, father was amazed how he is a real boy. Now that Pinocchio is a real boy, his father told him to ride this bicycle. Pinocchio got to puppet school. Hello class, today we are making a puppet. Get your glue. Everybody put eyes on your puppet. Good job everyone, we made this puppet. Pinocchio go back to home. And his father was proud of him because he made his first puppet. Like his father made Pinocchio from wood, but Pinocchio made out of only paper. When Pinocchio was going, he found himself in a circus. He was lost in the circus. There was a man that took him for the circus for his drama. Pinocchio ran and ran back to his home. Pinocchio's nose became a little bit bigger. And then Pinocchio called to the fairy and says, "Can you put my nose back how it was?" "Okay, but just for now." The